Hindi ako naniniwala na saturated na ang freelancing, working from home, virtual assistants. Ang pinakang problem lang ngayon is people are getting more and more comfortable doing the easy, doing the uso. Yung, uso daw yung FB ads ang niche ko. Nung nauso yung SMM, SMM ang gagawin ko. And I'm like, bakit? Hindi nagpo-post ako ng bagong video so pwede nyo sundan na some sort of roadmap kung gusto nyo na maging freelancer, virtual assistant, or gusto nyo na mag-work from home gamit ang computer at internet. I've been a freelancer for over 14 years. Only parang tip, the secret sauce, ganyan, para tumagal sa industriya na to is to future-proof your freelancing business by making sure that you continuously learn and earn. A lot of times, we feel that we're stuck dito sa nakasanayan na natin, and there are people who actually thrive in their comfort zones. But dumating na yung AI, nagkaroon na ng pandemya, ang dami ng pag-collapse ng industry ng mga businesses na nangyari, and na-survive siya nung aking freelancing business because I continuously look for new skill set na pwede kong ipad or i-add sa offer ko, sa services na ino-offer ko as a freelancer. This is also the main reason why and how I am able to sustain and put up my own freelancing business is because hindi ako tumigil sa isa lang yung alam ko. Now, this and more, yung pinakang naging inspiration namin, kaya meron kaming top VIP All Access Pass. While all of our classes are beginner-friendly, so kahit wala kang experience, estudyante, and we have a lot of OFWs as well sa aming community, is because we have Prey, we have Gay, we have people like Floor, na kahit na meron na silang mga clients, kahit na promote na sila, as a matter of fact, kahit nagsisimula na sila mag-build ng sarili nilang agency, nagtutuloy-tuloy pa rin sila ng pag-aaral. Lagi nilang iniisip na paano kung maging replaceable itong position ko na to, what's next for me? We have a question here from Iris. Sabi niya, Mi, kailan ulit may top VIP? And our top VIP All Access Pass for March is now open. However, dahil maagang nag-close ang February batch, ang bilis ding napupuno ng March class ngayon. Ang top VIP All Access Pass will let you experience all of the trainings live. You'd also get a copy of the recordings nung mismong live session na yon. You'd be able to attend internships and you'd get a feel of different niche ng talagang magagamit mo siya, mapapractice mo siya. And sa sobrang top VIP ka nga, kami pa talaga, puwersado ka talagang umattend ng mga training. So, mabobombard ka ng calendar invites. Anyway, today kasi onboarding na ng February batch namin, and last week, we opened na kagad yung March because maraming humahabol. Huwag nyo nang intayin na mag-close yung March. I have a feeling na magko-close na siya very, very soon. 1,999 pesos lang siya. And again, this is an all-access pass sa lahat ng trainings namin, live recording, including internships. If you guys want to join, punta lang kayo sa profile ko, click nyo lang yung link sa bio ko. Pagkatapos, it will open this page. Hanapin nyo lang dito sa side, open classes, and right under that word, i-click nyo lang itong 1999 Top VIP All Access Pass. It will open the form. It will have all of the details that you need to know, including kung saan kayo magsisend ng payment, and ano nga ba yung pinakang takbo ng mga trainings namin. Kung nasa Instagram kayo, ito naman yung i-click nyo. At in any case, guys, na hindi gumagana yun sa TikTok at saka sa Instagram, punta na lang kayo dito sa Facebook kung hanapin nyo itong video na to. Makikita nyo sa mismong caption yung pinakang link. Ganon din naman sa YouTube, i-check nyo na lang yung description box. If you guys wanna build a sustainable freelancing business, I highly recommend you go for Top VIP All Access Pass. Sana makatulong to. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis. Bye!